Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a review of Poker Snob website. I'm on the homepage, and the first impression is that I see two different pop-ups offering different discount code. This one offers 25% off, this one offers 10% off, which can be a little bit confusing. So consider offering the same discount code because otherwise people feel like it is a little bit too desperate and a little bit too off-putting. So you can offer either a different way of like different offer, not a discount, but perhaps mm, something else, and offer 25% discount if someone signs up to your newsletter. I really love the look and feel of the website. I love the logo, the top navigation with very user-friendly titles, which is fantastic. Um, the featured image, I'm not sure if it is best suited to improve your conversion rate because it doesn't show your product. It is not linked to any of your collections, doesn't have any tagline that shows or that tells your visitors what you're offering, doesn't have any call to action such as shop now. So make sure to optimize it for the conversion. It is much better for sales if you showed your products here, and you can use this kind of poker imagery for other supporting images, supporting marketing images. I love that you're showing featured products on the homepage, all related to the poker need, which is great. The product titles are very SEO friendly, which is fantastic. You've got professional email address, hyperlinked, which is great. You've got additional navigation in the footer as well, which is great. The social icons in the footer are not linked, so make sure to hyperlink them, to activate them, and open the external links in new tabs. Okay, I'm going to browse your collections and your products. Okay, it's offer to quick buy, which is fantastic. So I like that quick buy, or the option to view the full product details. You've got buy now, size chart above the fold, which is great. When I click on size chart, for some reason it doesn't do anything. So make sure to check it. You've got additional product images, which is great as well. Okay, so size chart is as additional image here, and shows how to measure the finger as well, which is great. Yeah, but size chart, yeah, if it doesn't add anything, you can consider removing it because it is not necessary. So the item description, 100% customized ring. So you claim that 100% customized ring, but you don't give an option to customize ring here as a drop-down menu. So it is not very clear how highly customized it is. All compatible. It also is not clear what is it compatible with. And this should be 100% or 00%. For size, please check the photos below, which I'm sure you meant photos above. Free job shipping service, free job shipping service. It also feels like it's just plenty of information, but this information feels like all over the place, like free dropshipping service. What does it mean to your potential customers? It doesn't really mean anything. Shipping to worldwide. It's a little bit. Uh, this should be shipping worldwide. No logo velvet bag. Within 48 hours. Yeah, I mean, wedding bands of types also doesn't make sense. It feels like it contains a lot of various information that doesn't really make sense. Because this is not really specification. This is just some kind of very random info that is a little bit confusing. So it doesn't really build your authority, build your trust as a retailer. And also make sure to specify how people can customize this product. If it's fully customizable, obviously you need to give an option to, for example, add text to add or some kind of icons to add as well. So about us page, this is a great page to really build a rapport with potential buyers. So make sure to use this content to tell about yourself, build a rapport. The content you currently have feels very generic. So you talk about your product, but you don't talk about yourself, don't talk about your team, don't talk about your experience in the poker niche. So this is much more important for conversion when it comes to about us page. Also, you don't have shipping page or returns page displayed. You haven't got contact us page. These are important trust signals, so make sure to add these. Your SEO score is 46 out of 100, so there's definitely room for improvement. Your meta title, meta description, they are just string of keywords, so they definitely affect your SEO. Use this content to tell about what you're offering in terms of few sentences and add call to action. Don't use this space to insert keywords. This is considered black hat SEO and can actually get you penalized. You use too many H1 tags. You only need one H1 tag per page. You should start with H1 tag at the top, which should be assigned to the page title, and then move to using H2, H3, H4, H5. But they are in really messed order. They should really display in the right order and don't overuse H1 tags. Make sure to rank for have better keyword consistency. So you rank for keywords such as t-shirts, hoodies, jewelry, and so on, because those keywords are too generic to help you rank in any specific search results in Google. Work on adding more content. Your website doesn't have enough content to help your SEO, so keep adding blog posts. Add those pages that I mentioned before. Make sure all of your images have alt tags as well. That's very important. Your URLs are not SEO friendly, so make sure they are short or more descriptive as well. Google prefers that. Your website loads under 2 seconds, which is great. However, you seem to have a lot of issues when it comes to coding redirects that can definitely affect your SEO. So I do recommend working on all of those elements mentioned here. I hope you like this critique, and if you'd like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in this video, such as fix any image alt tags, optimize your Google snippets, and optimize your website loading speed, please book a free chat and our team will be happy to go through any of the elements mentioned and show you how to optimize them. The link to book a chat is in the email. And if you liked this audit, please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile and the details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.